Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make another friendly beginner stitch. I have bought this Caron Cake anniversary to make scarves for the homeless, so I tried to use it on my adding machine, but unfortunately it's very bulky and it's not suitable. So what I'm doing is I'm frogging it because I don't want to waste the yarn. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this yarn to make the scarf. And so let's get started. So I'm using a bigger crochet hook to chain. You can chain as long as you want. For the homeless, I chain about 25 to 35, but this is pretty bulky. So I'm just going to chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I look at it. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is more than 4 inches. The minimum is 4 inches for a scarf, if you want to know. And what I do is, if it's 4 inches and bigger, then perfect. So this is about 8 inches, so perfect. Okay, and I crochet about, I don't know, 6 feet, depending the yarn that I have. Okay, so I'm gonna go and change this crochet hook to a 5 point, where's my other crochet? Here it is. To a 5.5 crochet hook, so 5.5. Okay, so I'm going to chain another extra 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I did the 3 chain, but on the first chain I'm going to make a single crochet. I'm going to chain 3. This is going to be the first row. On the third chain, so 1, 2, 3, I'm going to make a single crochet. So I'm going to repeat this all the way to the end. I'm creating nests for the next row. 1, 2, 3 chain, skip 2 on the third, make a single crochet. That's all I'm doing on this row. So 3 chain, on the third chain, 2, 3, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, make a single crochet on the third chain. And it has to be an odd number. Odd number, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, like that odd number. The nests have to be odd numbers to create this stitch. Okay, so I don't know how many I'm going to have at the end, but we'll see. So 1, 2, 3, and on the third, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me just count this before. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going to be 8. I need odd number, so I'm going to leave it with 7. But when I look at it, yeah, I think it would be enough. So I will leave it like this. If I look at 1, 2, 3. So I had an extra chain. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get rid of the extra chain. Here's one of my tricks. Okay, what I do is just pull this. So easy. If you don't want the extra, see? Just pull it. And then, ta-da! So I'll just leave the one extra and I'll weave it later. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we can start the stitch. Okay, so we're going to start our second row. I have 3 chain. I am going to turn my work. On that 3 chain, that is going to be considered as 1 double crochet. Okay, so after I'm going to go to the 3 chain that we have here, and I'm going to make 2 double crochet. So I am still counting that 3 chain as a double crochet. So we have 3, chain 2, and on the next nest here, where the 3 chain is, I'm going to make a single crochet, 2 chain. On the next nest, where the 3 chain is, I'm going to make 3 double crochet. So what we're doing is, on one nest we're making 1 single crochet, on the other nest we're making 3 double crochet. So 2 chain always on the second row, 2 chain, and then 3 double crochet. Two chain, 1 single crochet, 2 chain. So I'm going to do the same thing what I did when we started. Going to make 2 double crochet, and on top of that single crochet right there, I'm going to make a double crochet. This is how it looks like. Okay, so from here I'm going to chain 4, 2, 3, 4, turn my work. Now we're going to create crochet nests for the next row to make the double crochets. To do that, after the 4 chain, I'm going to make a single crochet right here where we did the 2 chain. 3 chain, and then make another single crochet where we did the 2 chain. So on this row we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then come to the 2 chain, chain 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm almost at the end of this row. I chain 3 and I make a single crochet where the chain is. Either you can make the single crochet like this, or what you can do is you can go between. Either way would work, like this. Both would work. I'm going to chain 4, 2, 3, 4, turn my work, and right here I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, now we're going to be doing the double crochets. Okay, chain 2. Right here I'm going to make 3 double crochet. 2, 3, chain 2, and then go where the next 3 chain is, make a single crochet, chain 2, and then on the next one make 3 double crochet. So I'm repeating what we did on row 2, but I'm moving around my double crochets. See what I mean? So on top of the double crochet I'm making single crochets, and on top of the single crochets I'm making double crochets. Chain 2, make a single crochet on the next 3 chain, 1, 2, and on the next 2 chain, which is right on top of the single crochet, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 chain, make a single crochet, And this is how it looks like so far. Okay, so I'm going to finish it the way I started this row. We did 4 chains, so the 3 would be considered as 1 double crochet, and then we did a single crochet. So I did a single crochet, so I'm going to chain 2. There's always 2 chain between, and then I'm just going to make a double crochet right here, right on the bottom, right here. Grab it, and then make a double crochet to give that height. I went down. I'm going to chain 4. Now we're going to create nests. To do that, right here, I'm going to make a single crochet. Chain 3. Make another single crochet where the chains are. That's all I'm doing. I'm just jumping where I see the 3 chain. And I make a single crochet right there. Nothing different. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like this. See how I started? And you repeat this over and over until the length that you want. Let me crochet a couple of more rows. So I am going to crochet the double crochet. So I am going to crochet this, right, this one. So I'm going to chain 4. Well, I'll crochet 3, so that would be considered as 1 double crochet. And when I turn my work, remember how we started here? On here, I will do 2 double crochet. Just like this. Chain 2. And then you will automatically see on the single crochet we make double crochets. On the double crochet we make single crochets. Chain 2. And then make double crochets just like this. Chain 2. Make a single crochet. Chain 2. And make a double crochet on the next 3 chain. Chain 2. And then I make 2 double crochet. I'm finishing it up as how I started it. Well, this was supposed to be 2 double crochet. See? I made 3. Well, if you count this one, it would be 4 double crochet. Just to be cautious. But on this one, I'm going to finish it like this. And then I'm going to chain 2, 3, 4, 5. And then make a single crochet where the 2 chain is. 3 chain, single crochet. So now we're going to be crocheting this row. There will be a single crochet on top of the double crochet. It's very easy and it's really fun. Just repeat. If you get lost, just look at the below what we did, and it's so easy, and it's reversible. See, this is what I like about. You can make baby blankets, towels, dishcloth. Well, this is going to be a scarf, so it's a good thing. Cows, you can make cows. The reason I'm making these easy tutorials, because I've been getting lots of comments for new beginners that they want to learn, and I want to make tops for myself. So I'm going to be using these stitches to make top-down tops. So stay tuned for those tutorials that will be coming. And I just finish it with a single crochet. And again, you repeat it over and over the length that you want. And this looks fantastic. I just really like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you turn your work, and I just look what did I do? Okay, So I'm supposed to be doing this one, single crochet, right? So I will just go here, and then I will make a single crochet, and then I will chain 2, and then right here on top of the single crochet, you make 3 double crochets. If you get lost, just look below what you did. And don't forget, one row is how you create the nests by 3 chain 1 single crochet 3 chain. That's all you do on the wrong side of the work, and on the right side of the work you just make double crochets. So I hope you like this tutorial. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and stay tuned for the big tutorials that I'm going to be making for tops and so on. And I will show you how to do the increase when we're doing the top down. So again, let me turn the other side if you're having a hard time seeing this. I didn't realize, because this is gray too, and the background is gray. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting. Stay home, stay safe, and happy holidays.